So the first thing we're asked to do for this example is create an offset function in row 20. So I'm going to go here. What we're going to do is we're going to create the offset function. We need to tell it to look here. We don't want it to move any rows, any columns. Height, I'll just put a 1 in there. Width, I want it to use is minus whatever's in that cell. Don't forget your dollar signs. That's not quite finished yet because we've told Excel where to look. We haven't told it what to do. So I'm going to say sum it. So when I copy it across, I can see that it seems to be doing the correct thing, but we need depreciation. So over here, I need to then take this and divide it by whatever the lifespan is with the dollar signs. So there's a nice simple one. It then says change this to 7 years. So when I change it to 7 years, you'll see we get a ref error. Because what's happened is Excel's trying to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's off the screen. So we now need to create something in here to help us. In order to do this, we're going to set up the maximum life. So when it's here, it must only look back 1 year. When it's later past the 7 years, it can look back 7 years. So I'm going to say equals, give me the minimum of that, or this, whatever's in this cell here. Close the bracket. So now you'll see it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. We can now correct the offset function. So I'm going to click in offset and click the function wizard. And where it says a width of minus whatever's in that cell, we're going to say no. Rather look at that cell there. No dollar signs because I needed to copy it across. When I say OK, that one seems to work. I'm going to copy it across. So that now seems to get the correct thing, and you'll see the depreciation adds up to 1.5. Our capex adds up to 1.5. If I go back to 5 years, still depreciation of 1.5.